Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button, also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
This is Zion Ministry, Zion Prayer Movement Outreach, Lagos, Nigeria.
You're welcome.
Welcome. And thank you for what you're doing, helping to build better society, better humanity. And that's what we want. People who want, we just want a better Nigeria. And I will work for everybody. Especially a Nigeria that cares for the poor. Because when we don't care for the poor, no society, but the purpose of the government is to care for everybody, especially those who are less privileged. And that's what we do. So it's a combination. It's what we want to do. So we thank you.
Okay, so how do you know about the prayer movement outreach?
Very interesting. Well, how do I say I knew about it? I think it was my wife that told me about it.
Your wife? Oh, she probably she's a Zionite, isn't it?
She mentioned it to me. And I said,
Okay.
oh, I said I'll go there.
Okay.
You know, and I was supposed to come and see tomorrow. Because so I'm surprised when I was about to close the program. I heard that you are around. The beautiful gift. Peter says, silver and gold I do not have. What I will give you and what I will continue to give you is prayer.
Yes.
That is only what I can be giving you. Because no doubt that you have a good heart.
All the Zionites, they love him. See how they are celebrating because they know he loves him. You're welcome. We love you and we will continue to stand by you.
Yes, so
Behind you. Solidly behind you. We love you. We love you. Nothing can change that one because it's an organic reality. It was not bought, it was not, it's not fake. It's real.
welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
No. This is Zion Ministry, Zion Prayer Movement Outreach,
Lagos, Nigeria.
Lagos, Nigeria.
You're welcome.
Welcome. And thank you for what you're doing, helping to build better society, better humanity. And that's what we want. People who want, we just want a better Nigeria. And I will work for everybody. Especially a Nigeria that cares for the poor. Because when we don't care for the poor, no society, but the purpose of the government is to care for everybody, especially those who are less privileged. And that's what we do. So it's a combination. It's what we want to do. So we thank you.
Okay, so how do you know about the prayer movement outreach?
Very interesting. Well, how do I say I knew about it? I think it was my wife that told me about it.
Your wife? Oh, she probably she's a Zionite, isn't it?
She mentioned it to me. And I said,
Okay.
oh, I said I'll go there. You know, and I was supposed to come and see it tomorrow. Because tomorrow is when you told me you will come. Yes. So I'm surprised when I was about to close the program. I heard that you are around. I told my twin brother, told me, oh, but tomorrow is when he told me he will be coming to Zion. But I thank God we control the situation. You know, people love you a lot. So, because if eventually you walk in during the fellowship, there will be stampede. Because so many want to see him, so many love him.
LOP. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Mr. Minister. And I love you, and I love you, I love you, I love you. We'll continue to pray for you. But at the beautiful gate, Peter says, silver and gold I do not have. What I will give you and what I will continue to give you is prayer. That is only what I can be giving you. Because no doubt that you have a good heart. You have a good heart. And with that, you will go far. And when God says yes, nobody can say no. Our effort as a human being have a limit. So,
Thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you. Continue to remember us in prayer. All Labour Party wants in this should bring good governance all over Nigeria. Have our side good governance everywhere, from level top to bottom. Okay, but some people have like there are some people who come in the Labour Party. I don't know. People are coming from PDP, ABC to join Labour Party. Probably, I don't know if as long as they have the values and you know what, be careful. Because what is important in there? It's not where you're coming from. It's like people coming to blind place. As long as they come here and they do the right thing, you know, even if they do the wrong thing where they're coming from, let them know that this is a place to change their life.
At least change is what is constant.
Yes, yes. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks for having our meeting.
God bless you.
So you guys welcome to Shūtdőwn Movement Nigeria.
These are a flying visit. I'll come to you welcome.
You're welcome. We're happy to see you next
Officially. I'll come officially.
No problem.
When my brother invites me officially for a location, then me, I can crash today.
Okay.
So it's me who can crash today. But I'll learn officially.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.